Hello everyone. Today, this video is mainly about teaching you how to use the TokenTool platform to issue Solana Token 2022 without having to write any code. You can easily create Solana tokens that complies with the Token 2022 standards. You can customize the marketing fee, which can meet more diverse project requirements and allow you to enjoy more flexible customization of marketing strategies. Next, let's start the creation process. First, we enter the token creation page and then connect it to the mainnet. I'll demonstrate it to you using the testnet. Then we connected the wallet. We chose the Phantom wallet. Once the connection is successful, you can see the wallet address. Now, let's start the operation. First, select the token mode. We chose the Please Token 2022 mode. Then fill in the token name, which should not exceed 32 characters. After that, fill in the token symbol, which should not exceed 10 characters. Here the maximum token decimals is 9, and you can also modify it by yourself. The total supply refers to the quantity of tokens you issue. The maximum limit of the total supply is related to the token decimals. If the token decimals is 9, then the maximum total supply cannot exceed 10 billion. If the token decimals is 8, then the maximum total supply cannot exceed 100 billion, and so on. After that, we click to upload our token logo. Choose a picture. Then there is the marketing fee. Its unit is a percentage and it refers to the marketing transaction fee rate required for each transaction or transfer. Let's assume we filled in 0.1. The maximum fee is the upper limit of the transaction fee for each transfer or transaction. If left blank, the default is the supply quantity. Then the ownership address and the withdrawal wallet address are both set as our wallet address by default, but you can also modify them. Next is the optional part. Here we can add social links according to our own needs. Then below is the part to add a description and tags, which you can add on your own. Enter the tag and click add, and the tag will appear in the box below. If you think it's not suitable, you can delete it. Note that we can add a maximum of 5 tags. Below is the advanced settings. Permission delegation means entrusting the permission of your tokens to another address. This address is able to burn or transfer any quantity of tokens. By default, it is the wallet address. The interest rate is to set an interest rate for your tokens, which imitates real-world assets like bonds, and you can earn interest at any time. Here you need to set the marketing fee first, before filling in the interest rate, and you can set it according to your own needs. The non-transferable option is turned off by default, and you can click here to turn it on. This makes the tokens non-transferable to other addresses, and it is usually applicable to projects such as those related to unique achievements. At the bottom are the advanced options. First, there is the vanity contract. Here we can customize and generate a contract address with a specific prefix and suffix. Enter the prefix and suffix and click Generate, and it will be generated. Below are some authority settings. Revoking update authority means that you will not be able to modify the token metadata. If you revoke frozen authority, it means that you will not be able to restrict specific accounts from performing operations, such as sending transactions. If you revoke mint authority, it means that you will not be able to mint more tokens for supply. Note that if you don't understand, don't set them randomly, and just keep the default state. After filling everything out, we can click Confirm. At this time, we are uploading our token logo. Then the wallet will pop up. In the upper right corner, we enter the password. Click Confirm, and the creation will be successful. We can copy the token address Then in the token management section, scroll down to find the SPPL token 2022 list. The token we just created will be shown here. You can also query the token through the token address. That's how to create token 2022. Now you can try it on your own. If you have any questions, you can refer to our official documents or come to our official community. Okay, that's all for today's introduction. See you in the next video. Bye bye.